Ever feel like you're sending your resume into a black hole? You're not alone. The world of job hunting has changed dramatically, and a big part of that change is artificial intelligence. Gone are the days of just listing your experience. Now, it's about speaking the language of the machines that first screen your application. So, how do you beat the bots? It all starts with the job description. AI tools are amazing at this. They can scan a job posting in seconds and pull out the exact keywords and skills the employer is looking for. Think of it like a cheat sheet for your resume. These keywords are crucial for getting past something called an applicant tracking system, or ATS. Most companies use these systems to filter candidates, and if your resume doesn't have the right words, it might never be seen by a human. Let's walk through it. First, take the job description you're interested in, copy and paste it into an AI resume tool. The AI will instantly highlight the most important terms, things like project management, data analysis, or specific software names. Your next step is to weave these exact keywords into your resume. Don't just stuff them in. Make sure they fit naturally within your experience and accomplishments. Speaking of accomplishments, this is another area where AI shines. Instead of just saying you managed a team, an AI tool can help you rephrase it to led a team of 5 to increase sales by 15% in 1 quarter. It helps you quantify your achievements, making them much more impactful. It's also a fantastic grammar and clarity checker, ensuring your resume sounds professional and polished. Once your content is refined, always do a final proofread yourself. AI is a tool, not a replacement for your own judgment. Then, save your resume as a simple PDF to ensure it's compatible with most ATS systems. Avoid fancy formatting, columns, or images that can confuse the software. The future of career development is here, and it's powered by AI. By leveraging these tools, you're not just creating a resume. You're crafting a targeted application that speaks directly to what employers want. You're working smarter, not just harder. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of staring at a blank page, trying to write the perfect resume? Well, what if I told you that your new secret weapon in job hunting is AI? That's right. Using artificial intelligence can save you tons of time, help you beat those pesky applicant tracking systems, and make your resume truly shine. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. Let's get started. First things first, you need to pick the right tool. There are many great AI writing assistants out there. Once you've chosen one, the key is to give it a clear, detailed prompt. Don't just say, "Write me a resume." Instead, try something like, "Act as a professional resume writer. I am a digital marketer with 5 years of experience, applying for a senior marketing manager role. Help me create a compelling professional summary and bullet points for my work experience." The more specific you are, the better your results will be. Now for the most important part. Feeding the AI your information. Gather your work history, skills, and accomplishments. But here's the pro tip. Don't just copy and paste your old resume. Instead, grab the job description for the role you want. Pull out the key requirements and responsibilities they list. Then, ask the AI to tailor your experience to match those keywords. For example, you can say, "Here is my experience, and here is the job description. Rewrite my bullet points to highlight how my skills align with what this company is looking for." This is how you optimize your resume for both the hiring manager and the software they use. Okay, so the AI has generated a draft. Are we done? Not quite. The next step is crucial: polishing and personalizing. AI is an amazing assistant, but it's not you. Read through the entire resume. Does it sound like you? Is the tone professional but also authentic? Rephrase any sentences that feel a bit robotic. Check for repetitive words. Most importantly, verify that everything is accurate. You want to add your unique human touch that makes you stand out. This is your story, so make sure your voice comes through loud and clear. To wrap it all up, here are a few final tips. Always proofread your resume multiple times, even after the AI has checked it. Consider asking the AI to help you write a powerful, customized cover letter for each application. And finally, Use this process to build a master resume that you can quickly adapt for different roles. Using AI isn't about cheating. It's about working smarter, not harder, to land your dream job. I hope this guide helps you build a resume that gets you noticed. Hey everyone, it's Aveline here. So you've used an AI tool to create your resume. That's a fantastic starting point, but let's be real, a lot of other people are doing the same thing. So how do you make your AI-generated resume stand out and actually land you an interview? Today I'm sharing my top 3 tips to transform that generic draft into a job-winning document. First up, let's talk about keyword optimization. Most companies use applicant tracking systems, or ATS, to scan resumes for specific keywords related to the job. Your AI resume might have some, but are they the right ones? Go back to the job description and highlight the key skills and qualifications they're looking for. Words like project management, data analysis, or customer relationship management. Now make sure these exact phrases are woven naturally into your resume, especially in your skills section and work experience descriptions. Don't just list them. Use them in context to describe what you've done. This simple step helps you get past the robots and in front of a real human. Next, let's quantify your achievements. An AI might write something like managed social media accounts. That's okay, but it doesn't show your impact. You need to add the numbers. Instead, try something like grew social media engagement by 40% over 6 months by implementing a new content strategy. See the difference? Numbers are powerful. They provide concrete evidence of your accomplishments. Look through your experience and ask yourself, how much? How many? How often? Did you increase sales, save time, or improve a process? Add those metrics. It turns your responsibilities into impressive, measurable results. Finally, let's inject your personal brand. AI is great at structure, but it can't capture your unique professional story. This is where your professional summary or objective comes in. Ditch the generic, hardworking professional seeking a challenging role statement. Instead, write a compelling 2 to 3 sentence summary that highlights your key strengths, your passion for the industry, and what you can specifically bring to the company. Think of it as your elevator pitch. It's the very first thing a recruiter reads, so make it personal, confident, and memorable. It should sound like you, not like a template. So, to recap, optimize for keywords from the job description, quantify your achievements with real data, and craft a personal summary that tells your unique story. Using AI is a smart move to get started, but the magic happens when you add that human touch. Take the time to review, refine, and really make that resume your own. You've got this. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, it's Aveline, your friendly career coach. Today we're diving into a super hot topic, using AI to write your resume. It sounds like a dream, right? A perfect resume with just a few clicks. But hold on, it's not always that simple. Many job seekers are falling into some common traps, and I'm here to help you avoid them. Stick around, and I'll show you how to use AI the smart way to land that dream job. First up, the biggest mistake I see is over-reliance on AI. You plug in your info, and out comes a resume, but it often sounds, well, robotic. It's generic. Your resume is your personal brand, your story. AI can't capture your unique personality, your passion, or the specific context behind your achievements. It creates a document that looks like thousands of others, and that's the fastest way to get lost in the pile. You need to stand out, not blend in. This brings me to mistake number 2, lack of customization. We all know we should tailor our resumes for each job application, right? AI tools are not great at this. They don't deeply analyze the nuances of a job description, the company culture, the specific skills they're emphasizing, the hidden keywords. Sending a one-size-fits-all AI resume is like showing up to a job interview in the wrong outfit. It tells the recruiter you didn't do your homework. You have to connect your experience directly to their needs. And finally, let's talk about formatting. This is a huge one. Some AI tools spit out these visually fancy resumes with columns, graphics, and funky fonts. They might look cool to you, but they can be a total nightmare for applicant tracking systems, or ATS. These are the software programs that most companies use to scan resumes first. If the ATS can't read your resume because of weird formatting, your application goes straight to the digital trash can before a human ever sees it. A clean, simple, ATS-friendly format is always the safest bet. So, how do we use AI without it backfiring? Think of AI as your brainstorming partner, not your replacement. Use it to get ideas for powerful action verbs or to rephrase a tricky sentence. Use it to summarize your experience into bullet points, which you can then refine. But the golden rule is this: always review and edit everything yourself. Add your personal touch, inject your voice, and make sure it reflects who you are. The final product should be 80% you and 20% AI assistance. To wrap it up, AI can be a powerful assistant in your job search, but it's not a magic wand. Avoid relying on it completely. Always customize your resume for the specific job and stick to clean, ATS-friendly formatting. Use it as a tool to enhance your own work, not to do the work for you. Now, go take another look at your resume. Can you make it more you? Thanks so much for watching. Hello everyone, it's Aveline. It feels like just yesterday we were starting this journey together, and now, here we are at a new beginning. I've been thinking a lot about everything we've been through, all the lessons, the challenges, and those amazing light bulb moments. It's been an incredible ride, hasn't it? Seeing your growth, your curiosity, and your dedication has been the most rewarding part of this experience for me. Each one of you brought something unique to our time together, and I'm so grateful for that. As you move forward, I want you to carry this one thought with you. Your journey is your own, and it won't always be a straight line. There will be detours, bumps in the road, and moments when you might feel a little lost. And that's perfectly okay. Those are the moments that build character. They teach you resilience, creativity, and the true strength you have inside. Remember to be kind to yourself during those times. Celebrate the small wins, learn from the setbacks, and never ever lose sight of your why, the passion that got you started in the first place. Staying positive isn't about ignoring the difficulties. It's about believing in your ability to overcome them. It's about focusing on the progress you've made, not just the distance you still have to go. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, who believe in your dreams, and who remind you of your worth when you forget. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. Nurture it with positivity, fuel it with curiosity, and protect it from doubt. So what's next? The world is out there, waiting for you to make your mark. Take everything you've learned, all the skills you've developed, and go create something wonderful. Don't be afraid to try, to fail, and to try again. Your potential is limitless, and I truly believe that. This isn't a goodbye, it's a see you later. Go out there and be brilliant. I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Thank you for everything, and I can't wait to see all the amazing things you'll do. Keep in touch, and take care.